for the dictation. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, I welcome the bill that has been brought before the House to remove one of the greatest difficulties experienced by law graduates. Stop. It is really a sad commentary that though the Advocates Act was passed only in the year 1961, government have had to bring in as many as 3 amendments within such a short period, and my fear is that government will have to bring in more amendments if they want this act to work well. Stop. I will presently point out the difficulties which will be experienced in the working of this act. Stop. We are now discussing the third amendment. Stop. At the time when the second amendment was being discussed in this house, my feeling was that the government would have to bring some amendments very soon, and my fears, like those of other honorable members, have come true. Stanza. I am afraid the government will have to bring another amendment very soon. Stop. My submission is that the government ought to have brought a more comprehensive amendment to the old Advocates Act. Stop. I have no objection with regard to the change in the date. Stop. Of course, that was most necessary, but with regard to the rule making power of the government, certainly I feel that it is a retrograde step. Stop. As a member of the Bar Council, I know that our Bar Councils are not working well. Stop. I do not know the conditions of other Bar Councils, but as far as my state is concerned, the Bar Council is not at all working well. Stop. When the Advocates Act was enforced and the new Bar Council was created in Madhya Pradesh, and when we first met, the Advocate General rightly said that it was a great day for the advocates, that the advocates were their own masters, that they were makers of their own destiny, that henceforth neither the High Court nor the government would interfere in the affairs of advocates, but the experience is that our Bar Council is ridden by factions, regionalism, groupisms, and all that. Stanza. As far as the difficulties in the present act are concerned, I would point out that there is provision for training. Stop. Now the government is taking power for making rules. Stop. They should make it clear what training they are going to give. Stop. As far as we are concerned, it is difficult to give training to the law graduates. Over.